document, so you see write your family status. Una see add and join this document. Then the form wey una wan fill, everything na una present am to this lawyer wey una take. Wey the lawyer wey una take, una make sure say e sabi immigrant well well. So if una take lawyer wey una know say sabi this immigrant well well, and una still make sure say una still get social assistance wey dem dey call assistenza sociale. So if una get social assistance, that one go still write things concerning una, say everything everything is still good for una side, na only document no dey. Then if una don write that one, una only need somebody wey go give una hospitality wey dem dey call hospitalita. If una need somebody wey go give una hospitalita, una fit present this document through that lawyer. And if una present this document through that lawyer, the lawyer go verify. He go send police and every other people wey dem dey call vigil, wey he go come verify say na true this mama dey go, e dey go school well well and e no get any crime. So after dem don verify, you fit get right to document. So the right to document wey the person go get na, if dem fit renew this document till the pikin go reach 18 years of age. So if you wan still renew and say the document that na the decision wey judge talk, na the person go fit get document. But before you apply, you make sure say the person don't get any crime for ground. So now this law now that you say because of health and because of say you now still get pikin wey small, now fit still apply for this kind of document. So more than take note of this document. Now Article 31 for immigration law wey dey Italy, na this law fall under. Now make me say, may I come tell una say, may I come give una the information wey still dey, wey another person wey you fit still use take get paper. The only way wey dem fit take revoke this document or wey dem fit take cancel this document be say na when somebody know say e no dey take care of the pikin, or maybe the relation wey dey write come for social assistant talk say this family dem no just dey take care of the pikin well, or the pikin, the family which is the parents of the pikin na, they get crime record. Sorry, if the parents of the pikin get crime record, that one na still another thing. So na lawyer go first take, wey go first cancel that crime record before una apply. So as una apply this Article 31, it go give you right, make you fit take get document, whether the papa get or the papa not get, or the mama not get, or both of them not get. This law dey good, wey go give them that right for both of them to get. So that one na be the law of Article 31. So if you know say you get any question where you want ask, so I go open my phone number now. So I go call am for una. So if una wey dey watch me, una fit still write am for this my under my platform 351 012 3025. Una fit call in. I call again 351 012 3025. I come again 351 012 3025. So if you know you want to call, the line is here, is open. Please, you can call now. And another thing I forget, before you know say if the lawyer don't, if the judge don't grant una this document, una know say na questora una go, which means Sportello Unico. Now una go submit this document. But if una want go submit this document, una know say una need Nigeria passport. So many people don't still ask me say how they want to get Nigeria passport concerning this person wey not get permit of stay. So I don't see go ask. They come tell me say is it possible where you fit still get Nigeria passport. So the possibility where you fit get Nigeria passport now go still explain now. So if you know say you not get Nigeria passport and you not get permit of stay, which this law will fall under, so how you fit get Nigeria passport? So one of the things be say now to get attestation, which is attestation of birth from National Population Commission office, and you still get your local government of origin. If you get these two documents, you authenticate them. So you can go Minister of Foreign Affairs. If you cannot go Minister of Foreign Affairs and with your nationality and your national identity, you officially apply for your Nigeria passport for year. And for those people where they know say their data not correct for passport, you still correct them by writing application. So you see apply for change of status if you know say you marry, or change of correction of data if you know say you never marry but the data wey dey your passport not correct. So you fit change am for the website, which is portal.immigration.gov.ng. so they will submit the information to Nigeria in. So I get one call now. My brother Egwato. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Baba. Okay, thank you very much, Efeyi, for calling. God bless you, sir. Thank you very much.
So far, say when me no know. But I'm still bring am come and me myself still learn. That is why I share am very, very important.
You do well, sir. Thank you very much.
I really want to appreciate you for this good work.
Thank you.
You are doing, and God will continue to bless you and keep it up.
Okay, sir. No, I know. Stop now. Now they give me power. Who be me? Where I come they say I want enter a live video. Come they talk.
Very good thing because
now where they watch me now they give me the mind where I fit take come. I wish people not they watch now. I for not even get the mind to even take come. Thank you very much.
I make a lot of us tell me how to apply. Many people now don't know the procedure to follow, but now they enlighten with Nigerians to know these are the protocol. These are how to follow. So I really appreciate you a lot. I love this. Okay.
Thank you very much, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you for calling. Bye bye.
Okay.
So other person can still call. So that is Efeyi Bright Uyedo Talk Show. Just call in. He say he like the good work wey I dey do. So now say na God still get power. So Mona not still forget. Mona still give me like. Mona still give me love. Mona still share. So that a lot of people go still learn from this great information, because people wey will come meet for here, if they not give us the right direction, you don't miss the step already. So we don't know the kind of step wey we fit follow again to correct our mistake. So now I say may I quick come see give us this true live video so that our people will still learn